Hi guys, today we will see how to fix GTA V unable to detect Windows Media Player on your system. Before we start, I would like you to leave a like and a subscription. It would help me a lot. Thank you. Well, the first step is to check the error message. As you can see here, when I start GTA, I get the same error. The solution is very simple. First, we will come to Google and paste the URL address that I will leave in the description. Well, once this is done, you can follow the instructions on the page or directly click here. Either way works fine. Once you click here, you will look for the following. Now, simply install it. Once installed, restart your PC. And once your PC is restarted, you will start GTA V and you will see that it works correctly without errors. If you found the video useful, I would appreciate a like and a subscription. Thank you very much.